So in our problem 1, we have that 5x plus 6y plus 7z equals 0 and 6x plus 7y plus 8z equals 0. And our goal is to find 65x plus 66y plus 67z. You may realize that there are only 2 equations but 3 unknowns, so we can't actually find a specific solution for x, y, and z. However, one way to solve the problem is just to pick some value of x, y, and z that satisfy the equations and plug it into here. And it turns out that no matter what choice you choose, it will always return the same result. However, we can be more systematic about this. We can subtract this one from this one. This one from this one to get that x plus y plus z equals to 1, right? Then in order to get our final result, we can simply multiply this by 60, right? So 60x plus 60y plus 60z equals to 60. And we can add that to this, right? To get that 65x plus 66y plus 67z equals to 60 plus 0, which is 60, our final answer. Now we do problem number 2. The first thing we should do is to find the initial average. We sum up all the numbers and divide by the total number of slips, and that equals 15 over 5, which is 3, right? So we want the new average to be 3 times 5, or 15. So let Jessica add x number of slips, right? Then the total sum of the slips inside will be 15 plus 20x, right? And the total number of slips is simply 5 plus x, right? Now let's cross multiply by 5 plus x to get 15 times 5 plus x equals to 15 plus 20x, right? Expand and subtract, 75 minus 15 equals to 20x minus 15x, or 60 equals to 5x, which gives x equals to 12. Right, and we're asked for the total number of slips, right? So we just have to simply add 5. Now, for our third problem, denote Forrest's terms as a plus d, a plus 2d, and a plus 3d. The first relation states that a plus d, which is the second term, divided by a, equals to 4. And the second equation states that a plus 2d, the third term, plus a plus 3d, the fourth term, equals to 34. Right? And we have 2 equations now, and we have 2 unknowns, so we can solve. So firstly, let's multiply both sides by a to get a plus d equals to 4a, or d equals to 3a. Right? Now let's substitute that back into here. Right? This equation is 2a plus 5d equals to 34. So 2a plus 5 times 3a equals to 34, right? Or the 17a equals to 34. Now we can simply divide to get a equals to 2, and with this equation, d equals to 6, right? To find our second term, we just plug that back into here. So 2 plus 6 equals to 8, which is our final answer.